Cyber squatting is a person or natural or juridical. You acquire a domain name in the internet. The domain name is similar, identical, or confusingly similar to an existing trademark registered with the appropriate government agency at the time of the domain name registration. Or in case of a personal name, identical or in any way similar with the name of a person other than the registrant. For example, gumawa kayo ng, ano ba yung sikat ngayon? Ano yung sikat na banda or group? Ben and Ben. Pasikat na tong Ben and Ben. I think gagawa sila ng website. So, gumawa ka din ng website mo, benandben.com. So, sina Ben and Ben, naisip din nilang gumawa ng website nila. So, since andon ka nauna, that is what you call cyber squatting. If your acquisition is to profit, mislead, destroy reputation, deprive others from registering the same, the acquisition is in bad faith, the acquisition is without right or with intellectual property interest in it. Wala ka namang business na may pangalang Ben and Ben. Wala ka namang product na may pangalang Ben and Ben. You're not connected in any way, shape, or form to Ben and Ben. So, you are cyber squatting.